Now, you can call that a problem or you can call it a background for a miracle. Umpisa pala yun. Is your choice put you in the right or the wrong direction? When you have a difficult situation, is it for you a big problem or is it a background for a miracle? Sa utak ni Jesus, sabi ng Ebanghelyo, He knew what He was going to do. So for Jesus, that was a setup for a blessing. But for some people, it was a big problem. So, there is the problem, daming tao, walang pagkain, gutom sila, anong gagawin? Walang solusyon sa problema na yan. Kahit anong gagawin, walang mangyayaring maganda. May mga taong ganyang kanega. Good luck kung yun po yung asawa mo o nakataong anak mo ay ganyan o nakataon na kasama mo sa ministry ay ganyan. Good luck. Kasi they are unbearable to be around. These are the kind of people, if the Lord has a solution for every problem, they have a problem for every solution. You can never have a solution because they will see problems, only problems. Kung talagang may pananampalataya, mayroon ding takot at pangamba. So pagharap ng mga problema, ang feeling natin is, wala akong masyadong magagawa, pero ito lang ang kaya kong gawin, itong ang aking ambag, itong maitutulong ko. And that's the right attitude. The Lord can multiply that. If you are very negative talaga, hindi papansinin ng Panginoon yan. But if you are like Andrew, we call it realistic, pero kulang pa sa pananampalataya. But you can tell the Lord, Lord, ito lang ang mayambag ko. May problema pong aming pamilya, hindi ko kayang pakasunduan lahat ng kaaway, pero itong kayang kong gawin, i-organize ko po ng family reunion, baka sakali makasundo sila. Kaya ng Panginoon paramihin yan. So, we can do little things na mahalaga sa Panginoon. And the Lord obliged. He knew what He was going to do from the beginning. He took that little of Andrew and make it a blessing. And so that problem was meant to be a blessing to be remembered. So, mga kapatid, kung mayroon pong difficult situation, my invitation today is first, don't call it a problem, call it a background for a miracle. That's a different way of looking at things. And then, in front of that background, ano may ambag mo? Ito lang ang kaya, okay lang. But don't be Philip. Philip are the ones that destroy the grace because they just don't want to believe that God can do something about it. And believe it or not, kahit ano, God can do something about